opportunity for you to engage with the experts sitting in the bus on the technical issues regarding sanitation technologies.
We are here at Vestas Township, and this is a program to look at emptying all the VIP toilets. It's a ventilated improved pit toilets.
Up to 25 to 30% of the contents of the pit are made up of this solid waste, which when the fecal sludge is subsequently processed, the solid waste has to be then treated. This is an added expense. So the solution was an education campaign to educate people to separate their solid waste, and at the same time the municipality came in and provided a regular service of solid waste removal.
What is needed here is some kind of education. We need to educate our people.
Here in this area we have about 35 ablutions that have been erected for this whole community. Each ablution has to cater for about 50 households. Each container has showers, toilets, hand wash basins, and some wash straps to do the washing. Each and every facility has a caretaker that is responsible to cleaning the facility and reporting if there are any burst pipes, blockages, and she is responsible to make sure that the facility is working okay all the time.
We're tasting some nutrient recovery from sanitation products, and we also have a pilot decentralized wastewater treatment system.
And what we've been demonstrating is the whole aspect of beneficiation from effluent and sludge that links up with urban agriculture and food security by using the effluents and the outputs.
It's been an incredible journey from the most basic systems to the most sophisticated systems in very similar neighborhoods.
What is important is to come with solutions that are easy to manage for different areas and for different communities.
It's actually nice and it's better for them, and it's handled well.
What I've learned today is that it's really not important to have a born toilet where you use water. There are so other different types of toilets that you can use for sanitation.
You know, we must be proud of eThekwini in terms of the innovation that they bring, the technology, and this is not the type of technology is workable within our South African setup.
I think the visits were very nice and I've learned a lot, and I think I'll take it back home and replicate it in the province.
Welcome you in the name of sanitation. It's not all about flushing.
We need also to find innovative ways to provide sanitation with less reliance on our diminishing water supply.
The solutions would be found to afford each and every one of our citizens dignity that they deserve.
It's about the investment in terms of the skills that are required to deal with water and sanitation.
For it is at forums like these that you'll be able to come out with innovative new ideas that are going to revolutionize the way we approach sanitation in our country.
The longhorns have been blown this morning. The clarion call has been made. The agenda has been set.
If we get the soft issue right, deals with the hard issue of life dignity, safety, and so on.
There are two elements that technologies are going to eliminate: pathogens and fecal sludges.
The problem we're facing with the flushing toilet being the gold standard is that it has a water seal which separates you from the smell, and it cleans itself. That's not the only way to achieve that.
No matter how good the technology, it's not going to work without operation and maintenance being taken into consideration.
Actually allocating the funds to the right institution that has the capability or the capacity to actually deliver on sanitation.
If we put these African minds together and find these solutions not only for South Africa but solutions for Africa,
We are ready to take on this challenge. And I have no doubt, Minister, that when we reflect a year from now, we would have much more in terms of successes to report on.
I think it was great, very informative.
I was really exposed to different types of technologies.
All the technologies that we're implementing or developing must be people-focused.
There's recognition of things that need to be done.
If the government can take it all over, I think that this is part of the solutions.
As a young researcher, I'm glad I came. I learned a lot. And hopefully I can also get to implement some of these as well as my own ideas.
But we really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I think it went well. Thank you very much.